So, if you're having problems with logging in into your LinkedIn account, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. So, if you're having problems with your LinkedIn login, first things first is you want to guarantee that this is not your interconnectivity. That's the problem here. So, first things first is you may want to check your interconnectivity. So, go and just choose a different Wi-Fi connection. So if you have like another connection that you could connect to, you could go and connect that first. Or if you can use your mobile data and you have the data available, you could go and just switch over to your mobile data. And once you've switched over to your other connections or available connections here, go and just open up LinkedIn here and try logging in. Now, once you're able to log in, well, typically means that your interconnectivity is the problem. But if not, there are other things that you may want to do here. Now, next thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that it's updated. So you want to go open up the LinkedIn app here and just click on update if you do see an update here. And by the way, if you don't see LinkedIn immediately, you could go and search that in the app, the Google Play Store here or the App Store, depending on what device you're currently using. And in here, just wait for the update to complete, restart your phone, and see if that helps. Now, if that doesn't help, the next thing that you want to do here is you want to clear the cache or what we call the temporary files stored in your app. So how do you do that? Well, first things first, you want to look for the LinkedIn app here. You want to go and press and hold on it until the pop-up or the section here actually pops up. Now, you want to go and click on the icon next to the trash can icon here, and that should bring up app info. Now, inside app info here, you want to go and click on the clear data at the bottom right of your screen. And from here, click on clear cache. Click on OK. And wait for a while. Once it's basically cleared, you can go and close this window. Open up LinkedIn here and see if you're able to log in. Now, if none of this actually work, there might be some problems with LinkedIn server. So in order for you to fix that, you just need to wait. So sometimes there might be some like updates or maintenance happening on LinkedIn servers. So if that does happen and LinkedIn goes down, well, typically it will be fixed after a few hours. So maybe check in after a few hours and see if that helps. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.